Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is sponsored by Supernova Hair, and I'm just showing you all the contents that came in the bag. They also have lashes available for purchase on their website. This is the hair bag that was included, as well as the custom scarf. Now this is the unit I'll be reviewing today. This is their light 99J body wave unit. This is a 13x4 frontal, and it does have an adjustable elastic band. Now this unit is considered pre-plucked.
Barely, but.
So I went ahead and I lightly plucked this unit, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so next I decided to go ahead and lay these edges down with my trusty wax stick and my flat iron. These two items will be a girl's best friend when you're laying your units. And this is what the unit looks like when I was finished. Now, since this is a transparent lace frontal, it does require either you tint it or add some makeup color if you are darker complected. So first I started off with my Taylor Crowned medium brown tinting spray. Then I felt it needed a little deeper of a color, and I proceeded to use my DIY tinting spray I made last week. I'll be sure to link that video up top. And I know it looks a little bit red on the screen, but as you can see, once I put it on, it's not. Now that I've put it in a ponytail to help get the hair out of the way, I'm ready to go ahead and glue this down. I'm gonna do that in 3 sections, starting with the middle part first. It's so funny. This was the first time I laid my hair with the glue using my fingers, and it ended up being the easiest install. So when in doubt, just go with what you have and use your hand instead of using any tools. So I'm just gonna press the glue down with my hand on both sides and wait for it to turn clear before adding the second coat. I'm gonna apply 2 more coats. And then I'm gonna go ahead and just repeat those same steps 2 more times. Last one. Now that the glue has dried clear, it's time for me to apply the unit. And I'm just going to press the lace down right on top of that glue. And I'm using my comb to comb the hair back while pressing the lace into my skin. And this is going to help it just melt in with the lace. Now I'm gonna go ahead and cut the lace off. And as always, guys, you wanna just cut the lace as close to the hairline as possible without cutting the hair. And when you get to the sides, you wanna just cut the lace so that the unit comfortably fits your head. I'm gonna wipe any excess glue off my face with this, the Walgreens version of Sea Breeze. And now I'm gonna take some baby hair out before I tie this down. Now, I didn't bleach the knots on this unit. I did end up bleaching the knots a little bit later, and I love this install even more. Using my Lotta Body mousse. Now I'm gonna tie this down with my elastic band. And while I'll let this sit for about 10 to 15 minutes, I'm gonna add some foundation to my parting area. And I'm gonna use my Ruby Kisses 3D contour palette. Now I'm gonna cut some light layers into this unit. These shears that I'm using are a bit dull. In hindsight, I should have just used one of my razors, but it still managed to get the job done. I'm gonna throw some curls in it. This hair is a little dry, so I'm gonna add a little bit of argan oil to it. This hair was a little dry when I received it. I do recommend co-washing the hair before actually wearing it, as after I conditioned it, it behaved a lot better. Sometimes initially when you add the powder, it looks really bright, but eventually it simmers down, it tones down. And then you could just pat it to help blend in more. I'll fix that later. Y'all, let's get into this, okay? Now, I didn't really cut too deep layers in it because I was gonna sell this unit, but baby, that's out the door. This one's staying. But I realized that I really need to get back into layering my units. That's how I normally wear my hair, is layered. But being that I usually resell my units, I haven't been layering it. But the layers, guys, make all the difference. You could see how those layers and these curls just came to life just because I added the layers. This unit is actually surprising me because I like it a lot more than I thought I would. Oh, wait. Yeah, I know I gotta add my color to the brow to finish off the look. Okay, now she ready. So dolls, like I was saying, this is pretty much the final look. I'm really shook at how good this unit turned out. This is my first time collaborating with Supernova. I really love this hair color. This is their 99J color. And they do have another burgundy color that's a little darker if you prefer to go a darker route. But I actually like this color. I like this color against my complexion. I've seen this color against lighter complexions. It looks bomb as well. So I think this is a real universal color. This is their body wave in 200% density. That's why I love how full it is. You guys know I like full units. If you don't like full units, you could get it in a lower density. And this is a 13x4 lace front in 24 inches. And the cap size I have is a large. It looks like I probably could have gone with a medium. I am a 22-inch head size just for reference, but the large doesn't hurt either, especially since I glued it down. So guys, if you are interested in purchasing this unit, I will have all the information in the description box down below. And let's go ahead and name this unit. What are we gonna call this beauty, guys? I need y'all help on this one. Go ahead and leave your name suggestion in the comment section down below. And I did pick a name for the unit I reviewed last week. The new name, as well as the person who submitted that name, will be displayed on the screen. And if you're not part of my faithful fam, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and join the family. And as always, guys, until next time, I hope you guys stay blessed. And if it be God's will, I'll see you in my next video. Take care now. I am in love with this one right here. Yeah.